Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. Senpai here with an unboxing. This is going to be a kit that I picked up from ROBOTKAI, and this is the Nonzero Studio Night of the Night Sky. I literally don't know anything about this. It looks kind of cool. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm actually going to kind of work on this on the stream. So let's jump down to the table and take a look at what comes in the box. All right, here we are with the front side. And yes, I know, glare, glare, glare everywhere. This actually really piqued my interest. I ended up purchasing this from ROBOTKAI. There's just some of the features that and looks about it. I don't know, it just drew me to it. It's different. It's not a Bandai kit. It's not a Gundam. It's not anything else. It's its own thing. So here you have the front side of the box. Right over here, you have the side, giving you some mechanics view. Evidently, it has a pre-built frame, so that's kind of interesting. On the other side over here, you have a front view and a rear view. All right, sliding open the top, you are greeted by baggies. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, a sheet of water slides. That's cool. A pre-built frame and some instructions. All right, taking a look at the instruction manual. Again, you get same artwork as on the front of the box. Runner layout, showing you how to manipulate the frame, I guess. Starting the build, page 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. And it's kind of interesting how they have you put the legs on and then twist them. As from what I've seen, these actually, the joints and everything actually lock in place, which is actually kind of cool. Page 13 and 14, where to put all your decals, and a back shot. I'm not going to end up opening these up, but yeah, you do actually get some water slides that are in here for all the details. I like the fact that they did water slides and not stickers. All right, so here we are with the frame, sliding it out of its box. Kind of getting twitchies in my eye from things like the G system frame. Cracking open the plastic. One thing I can tell you that's different, and I don't have a battery. I'm probably going to have to stop by the drugstore and pick one up. You have a little controller here, takes the battery. You have a LED with plugs on here, which I'm assuming plug into here. And then you get the frame itself, and then I'm assuming these are going to be for the shoulders over here, but we will find out when we end up building it. Let me give you a quick thought on this. See, I like that a lot. You get a lot of mobility on here. The mechanics is actually very cool. You get a lot of mobility. Like, I don't know who this company is. I think this is their first kit. But I hope they keep this up. Like, good mobility. The frame actually seems pretty stable. Doesn't seem overly loose. Now, I don't know about having the armor on there, how much mobility we're going to end up gaining in that, but man, that's actually quite fun. I'm excited to work on this. All right, so we're going to power through the runners, and then we are going to close out this video. You get runner A1, A2, runner B. Now, for some reason in my camera, this is showing up bluish, but it is actually gray. Runner C, and this is in a matte. Now, I have seen people complain about the texture on some of these, and it does have a texture, but I think they did that to give it a nice matte, because there are sections that are gloss mixed with the matte, so I think it's just in their way of casting, but it doesn't look like it's going to hinder the painting process or anything like that. But runner C, runner D, runner E, you get 2 of. And I think these are going to be the swords and just different armor parts. Runner F is going to be in it's a different shade of red. But you can see there's a couple of pieces here that have hints of shiny mixed with the matte. Very interesting. Runner G, you get 2 of, and you can catch some of the parts where it has the gloss mixed with the matte. H1, and this is going to be all your hand parts and things like that. Runner H2, and I think these are for armor pieces, like the backsides. Runner I, there's 2 of. Again, in that gray, and there is different shades of gray. Runner J, runner K, there's 2 of. Runner L, you get this hot orange, and these are going to be the clear parts for the swords. Runner M, and this is going to be your polycaps. N, there's going to be 2 of, and this is in a off-white. Like, nothing is actually white on this kit. So in closing, 20 runners, stay. 1 frame, 1 sheet of water slides, 1 instruction booklet, 1 LED, and 1 battery pack. and that's it. I'm looking forward to building this. Definitely stay tuned. I will do a half-ass review like I usually do on this, but I'm going to end up building this on live stream because I feel like doing something just to be able to chill and just snap something up. Also stay tuned because I have the 1/3000 scale architect chip, and I got the Iwata version that came over from ROBOTKAI and the Millennium Puzzle. So if you want to see more videos like this and just see shenanigans from either the wood workshop or from here, definitely hit that like, hit the subscribe. There will be links down below, and don't forget, use code Senpai Hobby, all in caps, for 10% off anything over at robotkai.com. And thank you for your guys' support. I will see you guys all in the next one. As usual, peace.